Oh, I get like hype for you, but them not ready yet. Make them know say I think ever ready set. Them a chat, but them never ever matter yet.
Hello everybody, my name is Jynell Trail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did my hair. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, continue watching. So as you guys can see, I already did the back section. So for the back section, I did the braiding method, and that's when you braid the roots and twist towards the end. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do the braiding method. So for the hair that I'll be using, this is a Cuban twist braid, 16 inches in the color 0T530, and this is their 100% soft nickel and fiber. So one pack of the hair costs $6.99. So in total I used 5 packs of hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my first section. So what I'm doing is just parting some small boxes, adding some edge control to the perimeter of the box. Then I'll take 2 strands of the Cuban twist hair. Then I'll start braiding the roots, and I'll braid the roots to like half an inch. Then I start twisting.
Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number when I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in me yard, them give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 Original. Original Batman,
So whenever I notice that my natural hair is sticking out from the extensions, what I do is I add some edge control to my hair, blend it in with the extensions, then I continue twisting.
Them a make a bad man feel alright. Man, I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low, bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
So for the front section, I decided to use the rubber band method.
Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number when I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want.
So what I'll be doing is taking my crochet hook, putting it underneath the box with the rubber band, then I'll be adding my extensions to the hook, then I'll be pulling it through.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
So I do hope you guys understand what I just said. If not, I'll be showing you exactly what I was trying to say, because I suck at explaining. So just watch.
Original. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say no, 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 no. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo.
So one thing I've noticed when using this method is that once you start twisting the hair, the roots start to get tight. So what I did was I used a hair clip to clip the hair to stop the roots from twisting.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. The day that a bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. The day that a bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. The day that a bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. Bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe. Original bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe. Bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe. Bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe. Original. The bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. Just say no, 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 no. The bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. Just say the bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. Body nice. See, I got them here, them a moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Countdown, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
So once I'm finished with the entire front section of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and dip the ends in some hot water.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really.
So once I'm finished with the ends, I'm gonna go ahead and add some hair accessories.
Original Batman. Turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
So now I'm gonna go in with my olive oil hair sheen, and I'm just gonna spray the roots of my hair. So this is the finished look, you guys, and this is super cute, super easy, neat, and I love the color. This hair is so soft. This hair is so soft. So yeah, this is what it looks like.
Body nice.
That is it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Man, I tell her when she go low, say you gonna give me when I'm on.